good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for attending this. It's a real special event for us, and we really do appreciate you coming out. We are absolutely about the community, so everything we do is centered around that. The pharmacy's been around for almost 50 years, I believe, so even though this is not an official opening, it is our reopening, and it really is a symbol of our renewed commitment to the community and the service and support that we'll be giving you. It's always a cliche saying that the community is a bit of an extension of our family, but that's honestly the way that we do feel. We're going to do everything in our power to make sure that we care for them as a family and look after them with everything from preventative wellness to mobility to everything that we have that we service you with. This is my partner, Ashley.
A little bit shy. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who came. I'm just so honored with everyone's presence, and everyone in Laguna Hills and Laguna Woods Village has been so welcoming to us. We can't really ask for anything better, and we really do want to be here to support you guys. So any way that we can do that, please let us know. I know we're a little bit newer, but we are definitely here for everyone that is here for us today. So thank you so much.